think, yeah, I mean, I think that's
what
kind
are
of
the
the
skills?
essential part in all of the engineering things that we're talking about, or
Well-
science and math integration of that.
In the electric circuits unit, they teach in third grade, they do, there's a couple lessons on troubleshooting, which isn't really, but it talks about like problem solving and like going through all the steps of like an electric circuit, figuring out where your problem is.
Right.
Which is kind of some, I mean, you're pushing
Yeah, it
buttons here, but you're trying to figure out where is the problem,
Yeah.
you know?
And maybe that's the
Big skill.
appropriate thing at the upper elementary levels, to be
Right.
doing
Right.
debugging circuits and things, but
Yeah.
then the question becomes, how can you keep coming back to that in middle school and high school so that they, you know,
Yeah,
in
keep it-
sort of
Yeah,
more
keep it
sophisticated
more
settings,
sophisticated.
yeah.
This is sophisticated where you need an engineering PhD or something to be able to create
Yeah,
a program this complex, but
Mhm.
there's got to be some way to make it engaging on real life for the
Right.
students to be able to actually
Right.
get it.
Yeah.
And to be able to wanna choose a career path in that
Yeah.
line, to see that this is something that you can do with this knowledge, or.
But I think this is going to be more and more prevalent, like I was saying,
Yeah.
in society, because it's like this is becoming, it's cheap to implement and
Yeah.
it's reliable enough, and we can communicate with it. So it's all of those tools have to be kind of simulated, I think, for the students. Like if team A figures this out, how they're going to be able to solve their problem, they've got to talk to team B to be able to make the whole thing work. And I don't know how to get that in a classroom setting.
Sure,
Should work on that.
yeah. Yeah, one thing
Yeah.
that I remembered with
Project.
the ISE system that was demonstrated to us, I was telling you about, they had the separate gas engine with the hybrid system integrated. What they did is they actually had it set up to where they could communicate with a vehicle anywhere in the United States through a laptop.
Wow.
Because they had the capabilities of, in fact, they did it when they were here, they actually got on their program and they used something like Google Maps, I don't know how they did it, but they were able to actually watch the bus going down the street
Oh,
down
man.
in LA, and they could actually, they could get on that bus electronically from their laptop and monitor what was going on
Yeah.
in that drive system, yeah, so it's there, but
Yeah, that's
yeah,
incredible.
it's pretty amazing stuff.